Welcome into the video. It's King Yenny. I'm here to show you guys and display how to break down each and every question or each and every part within a question and being able to solve a SQL. So go ahead and join the Discord and provide any type of feedback, constructive criticism, and definitely let me know any adjustments or any add-ons or even stuff to take away a part of the video or videos coming forward. So constructive criticism is very needed, and that's how we get better together. So let me break down this question and solve it. This is for revising the select query 2, and we're going with basic stuff to where we're doing logarithmic expressions, we're doing all sorts of coding detail to solve one particular problem, to solve many problems, and to solve many problems to even take away stuff that will happen in the future. So AI and machine learning, we'll get into that deeper stuff. And don't worry, we'll start out very basic to where we're doing advanced AI and advanced software development, to a point we're doing software engineering, and we're doing system design and analysis. So but for right now, we want to get every single part, something that's recurring and something you would need to solve a bigger problem, right? So go ahead and join the Discord and let's get right into this. So I'll hit the points directly. I won't explain too much, and you guys will definitely let me know in the comments of anything I could improve on or a better solution in this case. But in general, let's break down this question. How you will break down this question is generally you will read it until you understand and look at each and every part that would change your results. And once it would change your result, make that a separate piece to analyze and see a better solution, or to first go with your first solution and optimize it later. So whichever part is easier for you. So let's read the question first. Query the name field for all American cities in the city table with populations larger than 120,000. The country code for America is USA. The city table is described as follows. In the city table is field and type, the ID number, the name varchar 217, country code varchar 23, and district varchar 220, and you even have a population number. So this is how the city table is set up. Let's go ahead and break down each and every one. It's asking us to query the name field for all American cities in the city table. Now that's two parts within this little top part of the question. So query the name. So when it says query the name, I'm thinking about, let me first write this. Query the name, I'm first thinking about select. Anytime you're going to query something, you're going to select. So select name, and name is a field inside the table. Select name from, and we'll break this apart. For all American cities in the city table, this city table is the name of the table. So in the city table, I was explaining this inside the other video. Make sure you guys definitely watch that. In the blank table, so in the name of the table. So city table, and this is the city table. So not too hard, but this is the building blocks of solving way harder questions, way more useful questions you may get from a client, from within your job, within your business, within any endeavor you might be doing within computer science. Go ahead and go to the next part with population. So with and against, I was explaining from before in the other video. With and against is mainly something that becomes more specific within your executable. And in this case, we're going to recopy this and switch to MySQL. So I'm going to solve this in MySQL as well, just to give you guys another example. So inside of here, the with populations larger than 120,000, this will be populations more than. So let me go ahead and write this. Then 120,000, right? So we'll look at the fields of the table, and you have the population. So population would be more than. So something that's larger would be more than, something that's smaller than would be less than, right? So this case is larger than 120,000. So this is what we're going to be looking for. So let's break this down even more, and we have the country code for America is USA. So let's just put the country code. But yeah, also was explaining too that the case sensitivity is not as important within a if-else statement as it was to be in a simple executable in SQL. And don't worry, we'll switch it. The country code America is USA, right? So then this would be the country code. And then from the third line here and the fourth line, you guys can see I'm doing a and, right? If you guys are seeing this at an advanced level, congrats to you. But equal single quotes USA, right? But then in this case, I would generally make sure you are saying capital USA, right? Just for simplicity's sakes. So let's go ahead and copy this because we're going to put this in a MySQL, just for example, right? Let's put this all together. Select just the name from city, right? We'll do this in majority 1 to 2 lines from city and where the population, right? So with, I was explaining with and against, in this case using the with type of word to now go with a where clause. And you can also use like too. Maybe you guys were saying that in the comments. I'm just knocking out these videos. You can use the like clause as well, but right now I'm using the where population is more than 120,000. 20,000 right there. And I'll break this down to an and. We're including this in this executable SQL for a country code that is equal to A, right? So let's go ahead and run this. This looks pretty good. We just want the name. We're not getting all the columns. And there you go. We got the names of the cities in America that would be more than 120,000, which is right here. Expected output. Your output right here. So let's go ahead and submit it. For any other types of test cases, if you guys are wondering too, I will go into leak code, but that will be after I explain in thorough steps how to break down each and every question. I want to do it in a example base on SQL before I do that video, so it makes more and more sense because you guys have other references like this video to go back to. So thank you for watching, everyone. I appreciate you guys coming through. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you guys definitely join up on the Discord. The technology Discord is not available yet until I update the description, but go ahead and join the Gamers Guild as well, and I'll definitely see you guys coming through, and we can chop it up anytime. We can even play games in the Gamers Guild and keep all the technology stuff within the technology Discord. So any questions you may have, and I'm planning on doing QAs as well, so something that's live, something where we can break down each and every question live, and we can even optimize it on air, on stream, right? So I appreciate you guys coming through. I'm looking forward to doing something more live because that's more of a interactive type of scenario for us all. So definitely join up on the Discord, and I'll see you guys in the comments. I'll see you guys in the YouTube community. I'll see you guys everywhere. And take care and peace out. I'm looking forward to the next videos.